In a bustling meadow, where flowers bloomed in abundance, lived a tiny bee named Buzz. Buzz was unlike any other bee in the meadow, for he had a peculiar taste for salt. One hot summer day, Buzz found a tiny grain of salt near the edge of the meadow. Intrigued, he decided to taste it. The salt was sharp and tangy, unlike the sweet nectar he was accustomed to. Days turned into weeks, and Buzz found himself spending more time near the edge of the meadow, searching for salt. His friends, the other bees, grew concerned. They warned him about the dangers of consuming too much salt, but Buzz paid them no heed. One day, Buzz ate so much salt that he became sick. His wings grew heavy, and he could no longer fly. His friends found him on the ground, weak and helpless. The other bees cared for Buzz, offering him sweet nectar to help him recover. But Buzz was too weak to drink. He regretted his actions and wished he had listened to his friends. In the days that followed, Buzz learned a valuable lesson. He realized that while salt was tempting, it was not meant for bees. He vowed never to consume salt again. From that day forward, Buzz became a warning to all the bees in the meadow. He taught them that while it's okay to try new things, it's important to be mindful and listen to the advice of others. And so, Buzz, the salt-loving bee, became a wise and cautious creature, always remembering the dangers of his salt addiction. He lived the rest of his days in the meadow, flying high and sipping sweet nectar, never forgetting the lesson he learned from his salt-sipping days. Moral: while it's important to try new things, it's equally important to listen to the advice of others and consider the consequences of our actions.